Hello, today learning how to solve 2022 A-level math with me. My name is Regina. I'm solving the code questions, and this is from Singapore. I think that the 10-year series. So I'm trying to solve, not trying lah. I'm just trying to do this. What is this code? It's called what? 9758. So I'm trying to solve these questions, and then so that you have anything, you can call me at this number 9058 56 9831. Okay. By the way, I'm a gay, and I don't want to expose myself at the moment, but I would like to tell people that being a gay is nothing to hide, and it's nothing shameful. Okay, so be yourself, and gay or lesbians or any girls or boys, I mean, they can do well in math. Okay, so that's it. So let's begin with our lesson question 1. So paper 1 question 1. Paper 1 question 1, you have to refer to the questions. So I'm not going to you have to read with the 10-year series yourself. So they ask you to find out what is the z, okay, with these complex number equations in the form of a plus bi lah. Okay, so when we look at this question, we have to strategize 我们真的要 strategize 一下咯不要死死看住这些东西，然后呢你就不懂怎么样做。很简单 very simple. Now you got I here, you got 2 minus I z plus I w, okay, equals to this. So what strike you in mind? Here got I, here got 2. You cannot eliminate these 2, right? It's so difficult, right? So 1 you times I, okay, 2 you times 2 what will give you? I minus 1 plus 2iw equals to minus I. No problem, right? So got problem because we multiply I for both sides. So the other one is that 2 minus I z plus, this is I, so is 2iw equals to 6 times 2 is 12. So this become equation 1 and 2, and this is the derivative of equation 1 and 2, so we put it as equation 3 and 4. Okay, so you look at this, we have a common term here, we can strike it out. Do it nicely, neatly, okay, so that you can gain favor from the examiner. So z is here, so z become what? Minus 1, 4, so minus 4, okay, and then 2 is here, so plus 2i. Can follow? I think you can follow. If cannot follow, practice lah. So this is when you have problem, then you do. You don't have problem, you can just follow this, will be easier for you. So z become this, and this is minus 5 plus 2i equals to minus I minus 12. So what do we do at here? We look at this term here. This is minus 5 plus 2i. This is minus I minus 12. So what we need to do is we need to multiply by the conjugate. The conjugate is at minus 5 minus 2i equals to minus 1 minus I minus 12 times minus 5 minus 2i. So this is a square minus b square formula. If you're not familiar, go back your O-level text. But this is with your I here, so definitely it become a. If let's say that is a plus ib times a minus ib, become a square plus b square. Okay, so this becomes z 25 plus 4 equals to, you need to multiply in. So very simple lah. I and I together, I mean this is a constant term, you just multiply together, so become what? 60. Okay, 负得正. Okay, this is 2, so this is what? Minus 2, 是不是? So become minus 2, correct or not? Those who know Chinese, so this is minus minus plus 24i, and this is minus minus plus as well, plus 5i. Nothing magical lah. Okay, z is becoming 58 plus 29i divided by 29. Anything wrong or not? Nothing wrong, right? Looking at the answer key. Nothing wrong lah. So z is this. So now, this is 58 and 29. So what we need to do is that this 58 is actually now 2 times of 29. This is I. So it's 2 plus I. You need to simplify until this manner. Then you can sub it into your equation to find W. W, if I want to sub it in, definitely I will sub in the first one because it's 2W. So you sub into this I, 2 plus I plus 2W equals to minus 1. So 2I minus 1 plus 2W equals to minus 1. So minus cancel off lah. So W equals to what? Minus I lor. Isn't it simple? Oh, so this is question number 1. If you have any problem, do write to me. Thank you.